My good people, now welcome back to Anointed Lady TV, the home of legit news on politics and many other things wey dey happen for inside we nation Nigeria. And as usual, I don't come with breaking news. I don't come with updates wey I go like share with the general public. And the koko na about the power play, abi the rivalry between the All Progressive Congress and normally the People's Democratic Party. The koko now be say the former deputy Senate Presido and the 2023 Delta State APC governorship candidate to be Senator Ovie Omo Agege. He na don dey yarn say Governor Sheriff of Delta State and his predecessor wey be Ifeanyi Okowa, they are not welcome into the All Progressive Congress o. And no be lie, my good people. The way men take dey wash hand comot for the People's Democratic Party, their matter they go join the ruling All Progressive Congress. It is very much alarming. E come as if they just arrange say they wan use this period take dey do the cross carpeting. Lawmakers, former governors or current governors sef, they just dey comot from their various party, they go join the APC. And rumours sef bin dey ground say Governor Sheriff of Delta State dey even dey plan to move go the All Progressive Congress. But however, my good people, e get one meeting like that wey the APC leaders dey hold for inside Ika South and Ika North East local government areas. This meeting happen on Monday, wey be the 3rd day of February for inside this year 2025. So now for inside this meeting, now Senator Ovie come dey yarn say if anybody wan cross carpet from their party come the ruling All Progressive Congress, they go welcome them with open arms. Men like Senator Ned Nwoko now wey don dump the PDP, if im put am for mind say he wan join the ruling party, say they go welcome am. Even other lawmakers sef, if they dey comot from their various parties wan join the party, they go welcome them. But you see, Governor Sheriff of Delta State and him predecessor wey be Ifeanyi Okowa, they are not welcome at all. And for inside this same meeting, Senator Ovie come use opportunity to dey dismiss the claims wey dey go up and down say the APC don lost their influence for inside Delta State. Now he come open up, he come dey yarn say after the 2023 elections, the People's Democratic Party come dey spread false propaganda. They come dey talk things wey no dey true. They come dey yarn say APC no dey exist again for inside Delta State. Yet APC win 2 senatorial seats and 2 House of Reps seats. Now the only senator wey dem get for their party don abandon them and is very much ready to join the All Progressive Congress. So by statistics, based on all these levels now, who get majority, who get hands pass for inside Delta State? APC now win the senatorial seats. They still win 2 out of 3 House of Representatives seats, while Labour Party win 1 and the People's Democratic Party do not win any one. Now, out of 9 House of Assembly seats for inside Delta Central, APC secure 5, while the People's Democratic Party then get only 4. So with this result now, with all this level, with all these facts, so which party will be more popular for inside Delta? And as yarn all these levels finish, no pause for there at all. The former Deputy Senate Presido and the 2023 Delta State APC governorship candidate to be Senator Ovie Omo Agege, he can still proceed further. He can use am as opportunity to dey accuse the administration of Governor Sheriff, say that they attempt to downplay the strength of the All Progressive Congress. He na come dey yarn say despite the presence of a PDP governor and despite the presence of a former vice presidential candidate for inside Ika South and Ika North East, the All Progressive Congress still secure the required 25% of votes for inside the last election. And after every Senator Ovie come dey assure the party members, he come dey yarn dey give them, say make dem do the camps, make dem no worry at all. Say the internal disputes, the internal palava wey dey for inside the APC for inside Delta State, they go last resolve am very soon, and they go do am before the year 2027. And he come dey throw advice they give the members of the party, say like this now, they gats stop to dey focus on their internal issues, but instead make dem take advantage of the People's Democratic Party bigger problems. Make dem take advantage of all the kasala wey dey happen for inside the People's Democratic Party, because as things be now, e reach to wonder, e reach to ask if the People's Democratic Party they go still get name, they go still get face, whether they go still dey exist for inside the year 2027. And no be lie, my good people, with the People's Democratic Party, their internal crisis and how the All Progressive Congress they take over states for inside we nation Nigeria, if the opposition party will be the People's Democratic Party, they no sit up right? I believe say them say they go don do the maths, they go don do the calculation, they go don know say they are heading for destruction. Still on the cocoa of the hour, Senator Ovie come dey give credit, come dey give accolade to the policies of our President Bola Ahmed Tinubu, and in the yarns now those policies now wey come make APC more attractive for inside Delta State. Im say na the things and things wey our President Bola Ahmed Tinubu dey do na why men just dey wash am more for their various party, then go join the ruling All Progressive Congress. But however, im dey reject any po ten tial defection by Okowa and Governor Sheriff. Im say dis their party so na from scratch na dem build am, and dem no go allow people wey get questionable records to come destroy wetin dem don work so hard for. And with how things dey go, he is very much aware say they go soon get additional 3 senators for their party. Na members of the House of Reps na dem be, and they come direct from the People's Democratic Party. And some House of Assembly members sef, they go even join the ruling All Progressive Congress. Now if dem come, they go welcome them with open arms. They go make them feel at home, they go do the needful for them. But you see Governor Sheriff and his predecessor wey be Okowa, make them better remain for the People's Democratic Party and rebuild their party because they are not welcome in the All Progressive Congress. Now speaking on how men take dey defect from their various party, they join the APC. E get one countryman wey dey go by the name Odense Eradiri. He na the immediate past governorship candidate of the Labour Party for inside the neighboring state of Delta State, and I'm talking about Bayelsa State. This man now don officially join the All Progressive Congress. And Oga Odense na man wey be say im register with the APC for inside Ward 10 Constituency 2 Yenegua. And as for the reason why im join the ruling All Progressive Congress, this man now dey yarn say na because say our President Bola Ahmed Tinubu get strong commitment to infrastructure development, particularly for his own community within Yenegua local government area, na why im join the party. And im can even make mention, im can even make reference to key initiatives wey dey implemented by our President Bola Ahmed Tinubu's administration. And he now dey believe say this initiative go greatly benefit his community and the wider Niger Delta region. These initiatives now wey this man dey talk about na the provision of potable water, shore protection, solar street lights, and the construction of a 1-kilometer road. Now judging by all these levels, so our President Bola Ahmed Tinubu just dey win more favour from different states against the upcoming general elections wey go happen for inside the year 2027. This na the information I wan share give the general public. Anyhow the thing be you for body, or if you get contributions about the matter, feel free make you drop am inside the comment section. Now we be Anointed Lady TV, our hobby now to dey give una legit news on the things and things wey dey happen for we nation Nigeria. So if you like this information and you go like to dey receive more, try make you subscribe to this channel and try make you put on the notification bell so that as we dey bring more news dey come, na go first receive the update and you go even get am sharp. I dey come your side again with another legit news for you my good people. Try make you no go anywhere.